Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am basically doing a face chart recreation of this artist here. And when I first saw this look, it was actually off of Pinterest, and I was very excited because I was like, oh, I have neon color, so why not give this look a try? Because I haven't actually done face chart recreations in a long time, and I need to start doing more because people needs to get their art out there. Some people's arts is just like ridiculous, and I'll be like, let me try to put that on my face. You know what I'm saying? And as you can tell, my voice is all nice and crisp because I actually just got a new mic. Well, I didn't get it, my boyfriend got it for me, but it's a very nice mic, and I'm very excited because I'll probably be doing more tutorials using voiceover, because I'm kind of over me just editing my video, slapping and putting music over top, and then just going on my willy-nilly way. But I just want to do something different, change it up, because I have a mic now, so it's very exciting. I can even do ASMR. I doubt it. I'm really not gonna do ASMR, but I like listening to it though. Certain videos, it depends. If you're smacking on the mic, please, I will exit stage left because I cannot do it. As you can see, the way that I'm doing my eyebrows, I was so mad at the way they turned out at the end, and I was basically over it at this point. But you know, I had to just keep it pushing, keep going. I wanted to take this time and just basically talk about like some life updates, or like maybe some anime that I'm watching. So basically like life updates slash anime that I'm watching. The first anime I actually am currently watching is Yu Yu Hakusho, and my boyfriend put me onto that. I do like it. I really do. I actually finished Bleach like a while ago, and for some reason the last arc I did not like it. Like the Fullbringer arc, I don't know why. I feel like all the characters like drastically changed, and I just wasn't into it no more. But I still finished it out because, you know, I'm not gonna leave an anime like unwatched when I already started, because I've done that a lot in my past time and I just don't want to do that anymore. But Yu Yu Hakusho, it is a good show. I enjoyed it. I'm still watching it. I'm actually procrastinating on the last like 3 or 4 episodes because I genuinely don't want to finish it, because then I'm gonna feel so lost and confused. Because every time I finish an anime, I literally just sit there and contemplate my life and be like, what the heck else am I gonna watch now? I don't know. Another anime that I'm actually currently watching is Tokyo Revengers. I'm like on episode 9, I think, 9 or 8, and so far I am loving it. I think I like Mikey. Mikey is pretty cool. I wanted to cosplay as him, but then I was just like, does that mean I have to get a blonde wig? And then I was like, yeah, I would have to get a blonde wig. And then I realized a lot of people in that show, when they're playing as delinquents, they have blonde hair. Most of the delinquents in Tokyo Revengers have blonde hair. And I was like, why? But you know what? That's the artist. The artist did that. So let them have that blonde hair. So I was like, it actually looks cool. You know what I'm saying? Takemichi, his hair kind of look a little yellow, like banana yellow. But Mikey's hair, his hair is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm watching Tokyo Revengers, Yu Yu Hakusho. What's another show? Beastars. Actually, nah. Well, I finished that show a while ago. I was so confused at the end, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, what type of friendship is this? This friendship has me very confused. Are they friends, or are they just friends because he ate his leg and then he's scared of him? But I really doubt that was the case. I think they actually genuinely became friends because they both care for each other, and then Haru is just some I don't even, Haru is very concerning to me. Like she I don't even know how to explain her character because I was so confused. But I get where they're going, but I'm still kind of lost. So maybe things will change in like season 3 or something, because I'm not gonna lie, I need some clarifications on certain things. Riz, Riz did everybody dirty. I just want to say that. He did his little friend dirty. He did Tim dirty. How about that? Put respect on Tim's name. Kind of knew it was him from the beginning because no way that this dude was just in the background, silent, barely any lines, and then all of a sudden in like episode 9 or freaking 10, they was giving him all these lines in the freaking show, and I was like, yeah, it's gotta be him. He has to be the one that killed Tim because ain't no way. And I thought that was just crazy to me. Another show that I actually just finished on Netflix is Doro. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but I'm gonna put a picture up. Please, this show is greatness. I love this show so much, and I'm ready for season 2. I ain't never seen a character that's been cursed like this with a whole lizard head, and I was like, wow. And he was trying to get his stuff together, okay? He was getting his stuff together. And then that one guy with the crazy hair, the crazy black hair and the mask, I forgot his name because I watched it a while ago. I was just kind of mad because like he basically took that girl against her will and was like, oh, you gonna be my partner. And she was like, I don't want to be your partner. He was like, well, you're gonna be my partner anyways. So they did the little thingy thing in the swap, and then they ended up being partners, and she became like robotic like in the end and stuff, and I was just like, wow, that's crazy. Another anime that I'm actually currently watching is Trigun. Honestly, I put a pause on that because I wanted to finish like all my other animes that I started way before I started Trigun. I be starting animes and then going to another anime to watch a little bit of that, and then I go back to the other anime that I was already watching and then go right back again and watch some more of it. And then like I just alternate between animes, so it's just like why am I doing that when I can just watch it all in one sitting? I'd be like, that's kind of boring. I want to watch something else, but within the same like genre, but like with different characters. So yeah, I alternate between animes a lot. And another anime I'm actually currently watching is One Piece. I'm on episode 730. Oh my god. It took me forever to get to this episode exactly because I started watching One Piece in high school in like 10th grade. I am a senior in college. What? That's how you know this show is long. But I do like it. I only like it because every time like they go on their journey and stuff like that, there's always a new character that they introduce, and there's always new people to see, new things to see, like new fights that happen and stuff like that. And I'm like, that is exciting for me. Like I love animes that have a whole bunch of characters. That's why I like Bleach. Black Clover apparently has a lot of characters. I never seen it, but that's on my list. I don't know, I just like a lot of people in the main cast or like meeting new people in anime because it's really cool to me. So in my video, I'm basically almost done with the makeup look. I'm putting the eyeliner on now, and let me tell you, this eyeliner actually is really good. I got this eyeliner from She Glam. They sent it to me. It was so smooth going on. So lastly, basically a life update. I kind of moved. Not kinda, I did move. I'm pretty excited about it because now I'm in a house and it's just like, oh, house. Because I was in a townhouse for a very long time. Now I'm in a house and I'm like, oh, this is exciting. And I am a senior in college. That's very nice. Stupid school actually messed up my stuff, so I don't graduate until next year. I was supposed to graduate in 2021, but I ended up taking up 2 like wrong classes and they didn't tell me until it was too late. So now I have to take 2 more classes to satisfy that requirements for that section. So next year I actually graduate in 2022, but I'm like, hey, you know, as long as I graduate, I don't really mind and it's a-okay for me. So I'm just chilling right now, just trying to get my, you know, work done, books, study, like keep my head in there and just, yeah, get it over and done with. But yeah, if y'all want to hear more voiceovers, y'all should let me know because this is kind of fun. I'm literally sitting in my room like in the dark just talking, and it's like 12 a.m. and I'm just sitting here just talking, and it's really fun. So I might end up even starting a podcast. I really doubt it though, because what the heck am I even gonna talk on the podcast about? But I just want to say thank you all for joining me on my video on my channel. I hope you like this video and I hope you like the voiceovers because I think they're pretty cool. So I might do them now because I have a mic now, so I want to show out. Yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one.